Directly south of the Market Street Bridge is a treeless area in the park known as the Meadow. This part of the park has been disturbed in the past, but it is being allowed to revert to a more mature condition. That reversion process is called ecological succession and is an excellent example of the dynamic nature of this park's natural community. Most of the plants in the meadow are grasses or herbs. These species are able to quickly colonize the site, germinate, and grow after disturbance. Among the grasses are species common to pasture lands throughout Pennsylvania, like timothy, fescue, orchard grass, and bluegrass. The herbs include many weedy species, like chicory, Queen Anne's lace, and dandelion. One distinctive species, teasel, produces dense oval heads that are covered in spines. These were used for carding or teasing wool in colonial times. Closer to the river are poison hemlock plants that are recognizable because of their parted leaves, spotted stem, and broad clusters of tiny white flowers. Poison hemlock contains a substance called conine that causes paralysis. Ancient Greeks forced condemned prisoners to drink a potion of poison hemlock. The plants of this meadow are important to animals of the park. First, they produce excellent habitat for a variety of mice, rabbits, and woodchucks. Second, the soft foliage can be eaten by those species and others that pass through the site. Finally, the large flowers produced by some species serve as a rich source of nectar for pollinators like bees, moths, and butterflies. If left undisturbed, the vegetation in the meadow will change over time. Ultimately, woody species like silver maple and black locust will colonize once seeds land on the ground and sprout to form young trees. As a result, the area will become a forest, similar to the woods that occupy most of this natural area.